69.
69? Okay, so I got the video mic me now. I'll be using my phone for vlogging. By the way, thanks to Brad for the discount. Gotta go back to work now. Bye. It's me again, Mikel, and I've acquired some stuff that I want to review. I'm just gonna make it quick because I'm not really good at this, but I must well try. Okay, so I've acquired some stuff recently, and then I'll show them to you. This one here, the aperture Amaran lighting. This one here, Joby phone thingy, and this one here. Okay, so yeah, I've just acquired some of these stuff, so I'm going to start unboxing them today. And my tongue's again because yeah, I don't know why it happens all the time. Anyway, let's start with this one here. I'm going to clear the table now and get everything ready. Just give me a few seconds. Yes, so here it is. Here are the stuffs. There are 3 stuffs here. This one's the most common. This one's been a while in the market. This one here is the new one. This is the main thing, the main fight. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, let's start with the first one. I'm gonna try to open this one here. Forgive me if I suck big time because I'm not really good with this. I'm just trying it out. Okay, let's do. Okay, starting with this one here. This is the Joby one. Gonna use my trusty card slasher thingy because I don't know where my knife is. I forgot where I placed it. But anyway, stop with that. Let's go. So this is the Joby Grip 1 mount, which is for the phone. And yeah, so let's has some lines up here. Let's just yeah, I broke my fingernail. I'm just gonna use this shit. You're supposed to push it. Yeah, you're supposed to push it. Supposed to push it, and out it comes. There you go. So this one here, as you can see, this is, you use this for your phone, and since I just got my iPhone 8, throw this away. Okay, I just got my iPhone 8, so you can put my phone up here, an iPad, no, not an iPad, just a phone. You can put your phone this way. You can hold your phone snugly. It has a I forgot the size. It has a hole here that you can use. You can either put a tripod mount on it, or you can put it on your crane. I have a Crane M. Let me just try to open this one up quickly. I'm not ready, by the way. I just do this. Just remove this one here, and then you can put your phone there, and you can balance your phone using the crane. You can stabilize your phone using the crane. And my crane's getting crazy. What the fuck? Yeah, it's gonna look like this, so you can use your phone. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna mount it here. So I'm gonna put the crane somewhere else. So yeah, this has a good mounting hole here. Snugly fits the phone. It's good. It's good. So I'm just gonna set it aside. This is the first one here. The next one is the aperture Amaran. There you go. And has a case inside. Here's the case. Good. Good. Case is good. Has some instructions here which I seldom read, and there are 2 pockets for this. The first pocket is the charging cable, some silica gels. Oh, has a divider too for the cable. That's good. Divider for the cable. And this one here is the mount. This is the mount. This is so cool. Okay, on the next one is the light itself. There you go. And some gels. So you have sticking to each other. A warm gel, and you have a cold gel. Cold, warm, and you have a diffuser. So how you're gonna do it is you're just gonna open this one up here, put this there, put the magnetic cover. Oh shoot. So, oh shoot. Put the magnetic cover on, and the buttons here, on, off, light. So it's gonna look like this. If you're gonna make it brighter, you can make it brighter. So there it is, there's the light. It's so bright. It's so bright. And you can remove the diffuser and get all the power of the light. It's really bright. It's from Aperture. Awesome item. Awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna set this aside. Oh yeah, this mount here is used to mount this light. You can just put it together. There's a screw at the back, and then you can just mount this one up here. Did I do it right? No, I didn't do it right. So you just mount it. There it is. So the light's there. You can put it in your camera. There's a camera mount that goes there. Camera mount. And then you can remove this. And you have a 1/4 inch thread. Bolt, something. You can see there. So what I was thinking is, just in case you think I'm trying to put this on my camera. Yes, I'm trying to put this on my camera, but one of the things also I was thinking is, you see this mount here? I can turn this on there. I'm not sure really. So let me put it up together. Yep. There. So just make it quick. So it's gonna look like this. So when you turn on the lights, you can start vlogging with your phone. Let me turn off the lights now. You can start vlogging on your phone. Yeah. So awesome light. I'm just gonna set this aside and leave it as this is, as it is. Fucking anyway. Yeah. So that's how the light works. I'm gonna set this aside. And now the last one is, I have the videomic EL. This just came out of the market. Let me just, oh, actually I opened it already. So I'm just acting here now. So this is the unboxing of it. This is what's inside. So what you see is the microphone, the furry dead kitten, I don't know, dead cat, and the lock, and some information up here. So when you open this one out, here's the dead cat, here's the microphone. So the microphone is just so simple. It's just like, I can't find my, let me just, this is the videomic Me up here, and it's for iPhone. It has an iPhone lightning connector over there. It looks like the Video Micro. This is the Video Micro. Difference is the Video Micro is a bit bigger. You can see the difference. So this is the videomic Me. This is the Video Micro. It's a bit bigger, and the input is in here. The difference between the videomic Me L is that, yeah, you mount your phone up here. It has a lightning connector, and at the back, you think it's for the microphone? No, it's for headphones. Sorry about that. So you can use it as your headphone jack. It's really good. It's really awesome. And you can use your phone. It has an app that you can use to record. You can up the gain. The thing is, there's no gain adjustments in here, but you can adjust it on your phone. So how it's gonna look is, it's gonna look like this. So this is my phone earlier with the lighting. Just plug it on the side. Oh, yep. Plug it on the side there. And there's a lock at the back. Okay, that way it's gonna stay there. It's kind of snug, so you can see the microphone's there. Okay, so how this works is that when you turn on your phone, let's try the video app. So you turn on your phone and then you can vlog with it. Look at that. Your phone, you have your phone, recorder, microphone, lighting. You can put it on a stabilizer, and yeah, so let's test it. I'm gonna turn on the lights, turn this off, and I look so ugly in the phone, but I look good there in the camera. So it's like this. You have your lighting setup. You can vlog using your phone and say blah blah blah. You have a good audio, you have good lighting. It's not really good lighting. People understand. Anyway, so back to where I was. Like, so, oh, it's recording. So yeah, this microphone is just out in the market, and yeah, this is for iPhones. You can just directly plug into it because the new iPhones doesn't have the TRRS connector. The new iPhones does not have any TRRS connection because yeah, I'm using a microphone, also a lav mic that you can plug into the iPhone, but you can't do it. The videomic Me also needs a plug onto it. This one here is clean. This is the new one that they have. You don't need to put any wires, nothing into it, just your phone, plug it in directly, get good audio. I have samples that I taken earlier, which is, so this microphone here is made for iPads, iPhones, and anything that's Apple that accepts the lightning connector. And yeah, it's very good. It has an app that you can download on your phone or your iPad, and you can adjust the gain. There's no adjustment for the gain here, but the app can adjust it. You can even record some audio from on the app. And yes, and at the back part, as you can see, has a microphone jack just in case if you want to monitor your audio, because once you're recording using the iPhone, you won't know there are no audio signals. You can monitor it, but it's gonna look awkward if you can have something on your ear. But yeah, I've tested it just today, and then I found out that with the iPhone it's mono, and it's getting all the noise from everywhere. This one here isolates the sound that comes from your mouth. It's a shotgun mic, so any sound that's been transmitted in front of it, it takes, and anything that's from behind, it cancels it out. And like, it's really good because I tried it earlier, and there were lots of cars behind the phone. I was talking, and the audio was good. Audio is great in front, and if there are any noise or any sound behind, it might still capture a bit of it. But the thing is, it dampens it because it somewhat like cancels any noise from behind. Because the sound wave is, I'm not really good with this, but the sound wave is just in front. So yeah, this one's good if you want to do your Insta stories, Instagram TV, something. If you want to do a video that you just want to get your audio, this is very good. And also it's equipped with a free dead cat, and you just put this here, and whenever there's wind around, it just dampens it. So you've seen audio, you've seen videos where it says yeah, so this one dampens the wind noise. So I'll show you how it's been placed again. Just, this is in front of your phone, just plug it, and if you want to get some audio from the other side, you can just reverse it. So it's reversible, and yep, you can put this thingy here, that way it's okay not to put it, but yeah, just for, yeah, so it's gonna look like this. You're gonna look like this vlogging the street, but hey, you get a good audio. I'll show you a sample. I'm gonna turn on the music, and then we're gonna try to listen how the audio sounds. Yep, just wait. So I did a test footage yesterday about this phone and this mic here. Thing is, it was a major fail because what happened was the microphone wasn't plugged in. So here it is. This is the phone with a microphone on. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. has the microphone on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, this is a sample with only the iPhone's microphone. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. iPhone's microphone. This is how it sounds with the iPhone's microphone. Tongue-tied again. And yeah, this is the audio without the microphone on. Again, this is the audio without the microphone on. So it has the music at the back to simulate a noisy environment. This is a sample of the phone with music at the back. Okay, this is a sample of the iPhone with a microphone on, and there's music at the back to simulate a noisy environment. Again, this is a sample of the iPhone with a microphone on to simulate a noisy environment. Just one update that I found out is that if you have a case for your iPhone, this one here will push the mic away, like it removes the mic off the mount. Like for this case, this part of the lock is going to push it away. Let's try it. So we're going to plug in the microphone here. See that? That part there will push it away from the case, and it falls off. Sometimes I get to plug it, and I'm not aware that it's not plugged in. I thought I was using this microphone in filming, but then I realized that nope, I was using the iPhone's audio. So I made samples yesterday. It wasn't good because I was filming it thinking that I have the microphone on, but the microphone wasn't on. Yeah, but just a thought. So I'd rather either scrape this part, or I can go ahead and not use this one here. Like use it that way. All good. So I'll be using this in the next few days, and I'll be doing a real world review of how this microphone sounds. So yeah, I kind of find it better than the usual iPhone, and yeah, what really got me into it is that it cancels out the audio from behind, so that's really awesome. Damn, my tongue's really tied up. Yeah, so watch out for more reviews with this small microphone here. That's all for now.